Happy morning to all my dear students. I hope you are vibrant and good at home. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to see Unit 2, Poem 2. The title of the poem is From a Railway Carriage by Robert Louis Stevenson. Dear children, it is a memory poem. You have to memorize this poem. It is very simple. You can learn it very easily. So, now let us see about the author before we enter into the poem. Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson was born on November 13, 1850 in Edinburgh, Scotland. His father wanted him to be a lighthouse engineer like himself. However, Robert wanted to write. As a kid, he was kept inside most of the time because he had tuberculosis. Robert married Fanny Osborne at age 26. On December 3rd, 1894, at age 44, died of a stroke. So, all these are about Robert Louis Stevenson. Now, let us see about the poem. Let me put before you few questions, dear children. What do you think the poem is about? Have you been on a train? Close your eyes and think about the moving scene outside the train window. Now you can imagine it. You can describe what you have seen outside the window in a moving train. If you have not gone by train, try to go it. Okay? So, this is a great poem, children. So, I am going to read this poem twice, and in between the two readings, I am going to explain quickly with the pictures a few words and phrases which I will put in red. The first time through, we'll read it slowly. From a railway carriage, faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows the horses and cattle, all up the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a guard runway in the road, lumbering along with man and load. And here is a mill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Now this is a poem about someone riding in a railway carriage, which is a room on a train. A hedge is a sort of fence made out of a shrub or bush. A ditch is a long, low place where water can run off from the road or field. Troops, of course, are soldiers. A meadow is a grassy field, a place where you might find cattle, which must mean cows and bulls. Driving rain, a heavy or blowing rain as in a storm. Ever again means every now and then. And this, by the way, is a train station painted yellow. To clamber is to climb up or down clumsily, not easily. And when you clamber, you might scramble or climb quickly, especially with both hands and feet. A bramble is any bush or vine with sharp thorns. Tramp is an old fashioned word for a poor person without a home, one who moves around a lot. To gaze is to stare, to look in one direction for a long time. The poem talks about stringing the daisies, which means making a chain of daisies, a daisy chain. To lump along would be to move heavily as a heavy guard would. A load is just anything heavy that is carried. An old fashioned mill, in case you haven't seen one, looks like this on the outside. And in a building where a stream turns a wheel which powers a big heavy machine for grinding grain. Finally, a glimpse is a quick look. So, dear children, when you read this poem, you can hear the sound of juk juk juk, that you imagine it. Okay, now let us read the poem once the faster. You have to read the poem as the train moves, the same way you have to read it fastly. You have to read it fast. From a railway carriage. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all up the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wing of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself, gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and here is the green for stringing the daisies. Here is a cart run way in the road, lumbering along with man and load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Children, you can sing along with this poem.